Hello friends, I am Atharva Chitari and you're watching my channel Learning and Study. So today is our science lecture. So we will learn third lesson of science, current electricity. So we will read this all around us. Electricity is almost important in modern world. Yeah, it is right. If we don't get electricity, we can't do anything. The world is all on electricity. You can say that if you need internet for charging phone, for using laptop, for using computer, for using washing machine, for using any of the electric machine in our house, 80% all of the electric machines are there, and 20% we can say other. So we will see next point. We depend on it for almost everything in our day to day life. They are saying that we are depending on our self life day to day in order to avoid the inconvenience faced due to failure failure of power supply. Hospital, bank, office and private institution make already arrange with the help of generators. Yes, they are telling us that the electricity is so important in hospital, in bank, in office and other private places. Yeah, it is true. The all the places need electricity. In hospital, if any person is serious, if any patient is serious, he need oxygen and he needs some electricity for ICU or that generating machines. Now we will see bank. In bank there are many type of money counting machines or other types of machine. They also need electricity. Now we will see in office 99% laptop or computer used in office, so they all need electricity. Now what they say, they arrange with the help of generator. Yeah, generator, this word is so useful. Generator, we are saying that if our home didn't have electricity, so we you can see in your building, or if you are living in row house, you can see the other houses. If any one house have light, you can search it and you can go and ask that how they have light. If they say generator, they have an generator, otherwise their connection is other. So I will tell you what is the use of generator and why. So the generator is used for electricity. It capture electricity. If you have electricity for only 2 hours, then that generator is capturing continuous electricity, like an phone. If a phone we put on charging, it is on 1%, then up to 100% it will get charge, and if he get 100% battery, automatically it will disconnect. That is the system of phone. Like that only the system of generator is that it will take electricity up to 500 volt or 1000. It is all generator have a capacity. So like that capacity, it takes generating and it take electricity. And if the light gone, automatically our light switch off, and currently it will get on. That is the power of generator. It gives us, if he take the battery 2 hours, he will give us 4 hours. So that is the use of generator. So the people are using generators at home, offices, in hospital, bank, office. They use 90%, and in home only 10% use, because no need of generator in homes, because uh, we all are doing our work in office. So that is the use of generator. So we will move to next point. Now I am telling you more 3 parts of generators. First, diesel generator. Mostly it is used in hospital or banks or other places. It is that generator need diesel for generating electricity. If that generator don't have electricity, it will power off. Automatically it will power off. So first is diesel generator, and second is windmill generator. You can see most of the villages, or most of the building, on the top of buildings, the big windmills are there. That windmills take air, and they create electricity, and that electricity is gone in a electricity capacitor. So the electricity capacitor catch the electricity it contains in it, and if the light goes, that capacitor continuously giving us. And if the air is too strong, the capacitor is working fast. So like that. Now third is solar generator. You are thinking solar generator, solar is panel. The most panel is on the building. The panels of most of the type solar panel, if you want for any small object like electric car, remote control car, it takes a small it's like its size 30 centimeter, 25 centimeter. It start from 25 centimeters. If you take solar panel of 25 centimeter, it will give you less electricity, but you will take a big solar panel, it will give you so much electricity. Most of the factories, they are purchasing 20, 30 or 25 or 40 solar panels, because they need so much electricity for their factory. In factory, 100% electricity they need. If the factory don't have any electricity, it will not work. So some factories are on the powerful electricity, but they need too much money for that electricity. So they purchase panels, solar panels for their factory. The solar panels are doing work. I am explaining you. The solar panels doing work like taking a sunlight on the if the sunlight goes on a panel, thus because of sunlight it will create an energy. If at night no sunlight, only moonlight, it will not work. Just he needs strong sunlight. So in Rajasthan and that places use if you take small solar panel, you can try this at home or any. If you go if you live in Rajasthan or if you go in Rajasthan for any tour or anything, take a small solar panel and take a powerful light with you, AC light. Do you know AC? Yeah, all knows AC. In the AC, small lights are fitted, red and green. You can take from shop. It contains 20 or 30 rupees from shop. In Rajasthan, take a small connect small solar panel and that light. If you if you see, so if you connect the solar panel and AC light, and if you put if you living in Mumbai or any Dubai city, so uh, the period of noon time, if you put put in sunlight, the light will not start because the power will contain very slow, because the solar panel is not taking a lot of sunlight. So if you take a big solar panel, it will work, but if you have a small one, it will not work. So take a small panel and go in Rajasthan, or you can take a tour in Rajasthan and see there. The light will automatically on, because in Rajasthan the heat is too much. No, not sorry, not heat. The sunlight is too much. So in Rajasthan it will automatically work. So we will read next point. Electricity is used for running electric furnace, electric motor, and several other instrument used in industries. So now we will do an experiment. Try this. So you can see the picture 3.1, level of water and restriction of flow. So guys, you can see two pictures, first and second. In the two pictures, you can see in one picture the water, and means there are two bottles in first picture, and second bottle is also same, but you can see different. You can see three difference in first picture and second picture. First different is on first picture is this. You can see a small cap on the center of the pipe or any rod. In the second picture, no cap on the rod. Now second, you can see the level of water of first and second, and you can see here the level of the first bottle and second bottle. See this, the upper side bottle has too much water, and in this picture the lower, means the down bottle has contained too much water. Means now I will explain you that. You can see this, the water in first picture, the first bottle and second bottle between a cap. The cap is stopping the water go through first and second, so it didn't contains water. And if we remove this cap, you can see in the second picture, if we remove the cap, the water level will same in between first and second. It is called water flow. So now we will move to next one, connecting wires. Now I am telling you that first I am explaining you. If you goes on mountain, if you goes on mountain, and did you see that the water on the mountain is so pretty and so pure? That is because of the signals, negative charge and positive charge. And you can see the water of the city, it is so dirty and something white color. The water, we says the water didn't have any color, but the water have color because of dirt. In the city water, you can see the city water has some white color, but in the mountain or in mountain lakes, the water is too pure and like an invisible water. You can say like an invisible water. It is so pretty just because of positive charge and negative charge. Now I will explain you that the hills. You can say the hills have positive charge and the clouds have negative charge. When the clouds and hills, if the rain falls on hills, it will contains and positive negative both will contains, and it makes an powerful charge. So that charge becomes in water, and the water is so pretty. And in the sea water, you can see in the sea water it is salty. The salt is not man-made. That means that in the water the salt is not man-made, it is naturally because of positive and negative charge. If the hills and if the water of raining water, if the both get charge of each other, the water get pure and salty. So if we try this experiment on your screen, you can see the two glasses on your screen. The sugar, the salty water. First the salt have salty water, and second our city water. So if you put an egg in the salty water, the egg will not float, go down. But if you put an egg in the normal city water, it will go down. So students, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.